In this video, we can simplify this expression. This question is from AIME. First, let's recall a property from exponential. So a to the power m over n, then just equals nth root of a then to the power m. Here, m and n are positive integers. So now let's get started with our question. So here, 52, then 6 square root 43, then to the power 3 over 2, minus 52 minus 6 square root 43 to the power 3 over 2. So then here we can use this property. So now let's see for the first part. So the 2 means square root. Then here 52 plus 6 square root 43, then to the power 3. Let's see the second one. 2 means square root. So here 52 minus 6 square root 43, then to the power 3. So next, we're going to set two variables. First, let a equals this one, the square root. So the a equals the square root 52 plus 6 square root 43. Then let b equals this square root. So then here, square root 52 minus 6 square root 43. Because here is a plus, here's a minus. So then we have a is bigger than b. So then here, a is bigger than b. So next, we're going to use a, replace this square root, use a b, replace this square root. So let's continue this equal sign. Then here just a to the third minus b to the third. Then use a formula. Then this one is a minus b. Then here a squared plus ab, then plus b squared. So now let's rewrite this part. Then here a minus b. Then here put these two together. A squared plus b squared, then plus ab. So we're going to label this one as expression 1. Okay, so now let's see. So first we want to figure out what is a squared plus b squared. So now let's see. So this is a squared, then square and square root cancel out. B squared, then square and square root cancel out. So now let's see. Here just a squared plus b squared. Then just 52 plus 6 square root 43. This first one, then second one. 52 minus 6 square root 43. So then these two canceled. So then we have a squared plus b squared equals 104. That is the first result. Okay, so we got this part. So now let's see what's a times b. So a times b, just put these two under the same square root. So now let's see a times b. Then here, a times b. Then just square root. This one, 52 plus 6 square root 43. Then this is the second part. And here, 43. Then use a formula. And this one just 52 squared minus 36 times 43. Then simplify. So here just 1150 6. Okay, so then let's simplify this part. So then here we have AB, this one simplified, that's 34. So then this is the second result. So now let's see. We figure out this one, so now we need to figure out what's A minus B. So then probably it's easier. Let's figure out what is the A minus B squared. Okay, so let's see what's A minus B squared. That's just A squared plus B squared minus 2AB. Then here, what's A plus B? Here, 104. Then AB here, 34. So that's why this one just 104, then minus 2 times 34. Then simplify here. So this one just 36. Because we want to find out what is A minus B. So then we have A minus B, just both sides take a square root. So then we have 6. The reason we only keep a positive value because A is bigger than B. So A is bigger than B, so that's why we only keep a positive value. Okay, again here, A is bigger than B. So now this is a third result. So then we have these 3 results. Then we're going to put back into the expression 1. Okay, so we have the results for these 3 parts. So now let's continue this equal sign. Then let's continue the equal sign. So then A minus B, that's a 6. Then the inside A squared plus B squared. So here, this is A squared plus B squared. So this is A squared plus B squared. Then this is A times B. Then here just 104, then plus 34. Then simplify the whole thing. Then we have the answer. That is 828. So 828 is the answer for this question.